Georgia outlaws pizza. Fake hero, Georgia Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger backed the new law passed by the GOP-controlled legislature that requires voters to include ID with mail-in ballots, a cheap Jim Crow trick, one among many that passed. Raffensperger objected to adding a prohibition on giving food and water to people waiting hours in line to vote in the Georgia sun, because he's already declared that giving water to voters is a crime, after he made sure the lines would be hours long.
Are you bribing voters?
Just trying to feed the stomachs.
Why are you out here?
Trying to give the voters some food, man.
Okay.
Yeah, it's cold out here.
Why do they deserve food?
Everybody deserves food.
Everybody.
I witnessed this criminal behavior myself in Cobb County, Georgia, where Papa John's was criminally handing out slices of pizza and calzones.